Hello everyone, I am Vishwas. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I will explain about how to write an attractive resume. As you already know that I have started making videos on latest job openings. This video will help you to write an attractive resume to apply any jobs. If you haven't watched my previous videos on latest job openings, I have mentioned link in the description. You can go ahead and watch it right away. Every Monday, I'll upload a video on latest job openings. Do subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my future content. Without any delay, let's get started with today's video. I'm sure most of you already have a resume, but today I'll try to explain how to write an attractive resume. When you apply for any particular job, the first thing recruiter will notice is your resume. By seeing your resume, recruiter will decide if they want to shortlist your profile or not. Generally, recruiter will not spend more than 20 to 30 seconds on any resume. Writing an attractive resume can help you to get a chance of shortlisting your resume. I will tell you how to write an attractive resume. If you already have one, just check if your resume is properly structured and included with all the points that I am going to discuss. Now, here is the basic structure of a resume. First important thing which you need to remember before writing a resume is do not write heading as CV, biodata or resume because it is not at all required. On the first page of your resume, the first thing you would need to write is your name, email ID, phone number and address. Then you need to write your career objective. In this, you need to briefly describe skills and abilities in your own words. Do not write this too long. Limit into 2 or 3 sentences. If you are a fresher, you need to write about academics starting from your latest degree to 10th standard in descending order. Include year of study and percentage scored. If you want, you can prepare it in a table format or bullet points will also work. Next, projects. If you have done any projects in your graduation, do mention it. Next, internships. This field is not mandatory, but if you have done any internships and you want recruiter to know about this, you can add this field. Mention name of the company where you have worked and what is your role in that company and tenure of your internship. If you are experienced candidate, you need to add professional summary in descending order before academics. In professional summary, do mention your organization details along with your tenure and roles and responsibilities. The next thing which you need to add is technical skills. Hereafter, the structure will remain same for freshers and experienced candidates. Try to include as much as technical stuff. For example, programming languages, computer skills and any other tools. Next, awards and achievements. If you are experienced, you can mention about your rewards and recognition which you have received in your previous company. Anything which you feel as achievement can be included here. If you are a fresher and participated in any of your college or school events, you can write about those achievements. Personal details. Here, you need to mention date of birth, languages known and your hobbies. You can write hobbies separately if you want. Then, at the end, you can write declaration. But I will not say it is mandatory. At end of the page, you can write place at left and name as signature in right side. Again, it is optional. So, this is the basic structure to write a resume. Till now, we have discussed about basic structure of a resume. Now, I'll help you with editing your resume according to any job profile. The basic thing which you need to remember while applying any job is to read the job description and understand the skills what they are looking for. Once you understand that, start editing your resume according to position you are applying. Do not send your resume directly without making any changes according to job role which you are applying for. Because if your resume is not matching that job role, obviously recruiter will not consider it. Now, I will help you with few basic tips which you need to consider while writing a resume. Here are the tips. Highlight the keywords. Use bullet points and avoid paragraphs. Use professional font like Arial, Times New Roman, etc. Use same font in your entire resume. Make your headings as bold so that they can be easily identified. Use big font size for headings and remaining font should be same for the entire resume. Do not use nicknames as your email address because it will not look professional. Don't use shortcuts. Don't use color fonts or background. Don't include irrelevant and negative information. Don't include false information also. Don't copy and paste directly from internet. Check grammatical errors before submitting a resume. So these are the few tips which you need to consider while writing a resume. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any further questions regarding this, please reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.